Archives of Prasar Bharati presents the timeless treasure of Golden Era.
কোনে মারিলা হায় ও হায় মোর মলুয়া হারি যতর যতর করে তাই হায় ও হরি যতর আনি দিলু ময় হায় ও হরি ও যতর ধরি ধরি কাঁদে মোর মলুয়ারি মোরে মলুয়া কোনে মারিলা হায় ও হায় মোর মলুয়া হারি
Poor Basant. He must be going through hell.
The police are ruthlessly torturing the detainees.
True. Remember Yogi's state? When he was released after a week's interrogation?
Broken teeth. Welts all over his body. My God.
I'm not afraid. I am prepared to lay down my life for my country.
I am worried about my mother. What if the police torture her for information? They will stoop to do anything.
In fact, that is my only concern. I feel guilty putting my family in danger.
Mangaldas says, independence can be achieved only through sacrifice. The pain of the people of the world is my own pain. I see myself in them. I become one with them. I am the current of 100 streams, of so many hills and valleys. I flow down by defying all obstacles in my way and become one by merging with the great Lohit. The pain of the people of the world is my own pain. I see myself in them. I become one with them. I am the current of 100 streams, of so many rivers and valleys. I flow down by defying all obstacles in my way and become one by merging with the great Lohit.
justice. Justice? You call this justice? This is absolute irrational behavior. Mr. Chalia, this is not a bazaar. We believe in decorum here. Is burning my Batori part of your decorum? You are denying us freedom for expression. Your Batori is an inflammatory paper and is causing unrest. It is your action which is causing the unrest. My Batori only mirrors it. We just do what's necessary. Inspector, is that necessary? You police are brutal, inhuman. We're just doing routine examination. It's nothing. Routine? Beating up people? Singing them upside down? Whipping them? These are dangerous, hardcore criminals you're talking about. No. You just become some innocent football players and brand them as terrorists. Just to win the medals and praise from your superiors. We have clues and we have sufficient proof to back it. Show me! Show me the proof! Show me! We will only produce proof before those who have the authority to view it. Now, Mr. Chalia, you're wasting my time here unnecessarily. You may leave now. I will not! I will not till I'm assured that such unreasonable acts do not continue. You police are meant to protect the people, not to harass them, torment them. You have become traitors to your own people, to your own country. I'm not interested in your sentiments. You can't silence the voice of the people. You can't silence my Batori either. Your Batori has been declared as a subversive paper. It's a truthful newspaper. By burning it, you have tried to kill the news. You have tried to kill the truth. And you also insulted the man behind the paper, Mr. Rai Bahadur Durganath Barua. It is merely because of our respect for Mr. Rai Bahadur Barua that we didn't take any action upon Batori up till now. And that is precisely why we haven't arrested you as yet, Mr. Chalia. I challenge. Try and do that and face the consequences.
hunting.
The car is waiting down at the porch, Rudra.
Rudra!
Hurry.
Come on!
Minoti,
Minoti, where are you?
come quickly.
Hand over the basket to Kunti.
And you stay back home
We won't be needing you.
and look after the dinner arrangements.
And change the cushion covers.
And put fresh flowers in the vases.
You've been lax in your work these
You've
days.
been very careless.
Moving around like a zombie.
Acting like a fool.
What are you waiting for? Go!
Okay, Mahadev, come on, let's go, we are late. Come. Get in, please.
তোমরা গেইলে কি আসিবেন মোর মাত বন্ধুরে আরে হস্তিরে নরান হস্তিরে চরান হস্তির পায়ে পেড়ি আরে ও রে সত্য করিয়া কন রে মামুত কোনবা দেশে পাড়ি দে আরে গেইলে কি আসিবেন ও মোর মামুত বন্ধুরে আরে হস্তিরে নরাও হস্তিরে চরাও হস্তির গলায় তোড়ি আরে ও রে সত্য করিয়া কইলাম কন্যা গৌরী উঠে পারি রে আরে গেইলে কি আসিবেন ও মোর মামুরে তোমরা গেইলে কি আসিবেন মোর মামুরে তোমরা গেইলে
Are you enjoying?
I hope you're enjoying the picnic, Mahadev. Enjoy yourselves.
Look! Ducks in the water! Rudra, there! There!
Stop your mouth. Stop the elephant.
Got it! Did you see that, Raghav? Shot the duck!
Oh, Rudra, you and your silly hunting.
Arey Raghav, one shot and the duck is dead. Mahadev, did you see my shooting skills? You saw that?
Rudra,
Huh?
you should be ashamed of shooting sitting ducks.
Why not? After all, it's a practice session.
But they are such easy targets.
Haven't you heard? A bird in hand is worth two in the bush.
Wow, what logic. I'm really amazed.
Don't you see, Raghav? One bird is as good as another. Peasants or ducks, what's the difference?
Rudra, shouldn't you be more discriminating?
A hunter is known by the number he shoots down, not by the class of the prey.
Oh, Rudra, you are deplorable.
Go ahead.
Kunti! Hey, Kunti! Hey! Arey, which world are you lost in?
A romantic one.
Oh, I see.
Minuti, he proposed to me yesterday. Look at what he gave me.
Oh, Papa.
Isn't it pretty?
But not as pretty as mine. Yours is imitation. My ring is real gold. I'll just join you. Sit.
You know, Minuti,
Ah.
Mani wants to marry me immediately and take me to the Dholubari tea estate.
Oh. But how can he support you? I mean, he's only a tea plantation worker. How is he going to feed you and clothe you and keep you well? Does he have his own room in the servant quarters?
No, not yet.
Then, where are the two of you going to live? How do you think you'll manage?
I don't know. I'm not thinking of all that. I love him, and that's all that matters.
But does he love you as much as you love him?
Of course. Yes. Anyway, why should I love him if he doesn't love me?
Why? Why do you say that? Just suppose. Suppose money stops loving you tomorrow. Won't you still continue to love him?
Money. He will never stop loving me. He says he cannot live without me.
But how can you be so sure that he will marry you?
That's obvious. Otherwise, why will he give me this chain? What about you? I heard that your Devta wanted to marry you off to a widower in Tejpur.
He said that the other day. But you know, I don't understand him. Today, he tried to put this pile on my ankle. I think he loves me.